beauties, welcome to my channel. So friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get rid of dark and pigmented lips. Like if you're having that darkness on your lips, if you're having pigmented lips, if you feel your lips very chapped and rough, then this home remedy is specially for you guys. So without delaying, let's get started. So friends, for this home remedy, our first ingredient is honey. Here I'm taking half tablespoon of honey. Our second ingredient is cinnamon powder. So if you're not having cinnamon powder, you can make powder out of your cinnamons. What I'm doing over here, I'm just grinding it and making this cinnamon powder. And our third and last ingredient is coconut oil. So here I'm taking few drops of coconut oil. Beauties, cinnamon powder helps you a lot in plumping your lips, and honey moisturize it, and coconut oil helps in lightening the lips. So beauties, before going any further, let me give you a glimpse of my new Mamaearth Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick. This is infused with almond oil and vitamin E oil. This is like packaging is super good and this is super rich, super creamy, gives you a perfect matte. Let's start with the shade swatches. And beauties, the best part is Mamaearth products are plastic positivity and they are plant goodness initiative. So they are totally nature friendly. And beauties, all these lipsticks are available online on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa and Purple. And offline, you can buy it from your any nearby cosmetic shop. And while buying these lipsticks, don't forget to apply my coupon code BCR2023 and get 20% extra discount. Beauties, this is Mamaearth must try lipstick, I must say, because they are super good. Beauties, don't forget to check the link in my description box. Beauties, here my ingredient is like totally ready to apply. Now let's start. Firstly, I'm going to remove my lipstick and see. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take here one earbud and I'm going to apply it with this. Beauties, this ingredient will also gonna make your lips a little bit plumpy, soft, and it honey moisturize your lips like so good. Like this. And now we have to leave it like this on our lips for 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'm going to wash my lips with normal water and I will be back. So beauties, here I'm back. I just washed my lips with normal water. And within 15 minutes, this home remedy made my lips super soft and plumpy. This is like so good. This will gonna remove all the pigmentation, darkness from your lips, and at the same time, this will gonna make your lips soft and plumpy. So I just love this home remedy. I'm doing this like from so many years and this just made my lips so good. So just go and give it a try. If you're searching for something for pink lips and as well as for plumpy and soft lips, then I am recommending you should try this home remedy. Share this with your friends and family. Hope you like this. Please subscribe my channel. Do follow me on Instagram. If you have any recommendation, just comment it in the comment section. See you in my next video, beauties. Bye bye. Take care and love you.